Why is so hot? Hey guys, you are feeling hot too?
Yes, it's boring.
Me too.
Let's find a way to cool down. Any idea?
How about going to Central?
Oh, that's too far and I don't have money.
Hey, what about swimming in the canal?
That's a great idea.
Me too.
Alright, let's go.
But with canal shoot, where go to? How about the one near my farm?
Oh, your farm is too far.
Hey, where are guys going?
We're heading to the canal for a swimming.
Let's go to the one near Melbourne shop. Is cool by.
Good idea. Let's go.
Me too.
Wow! The Amon Pair is great. The water looks perfect for swimming.
Exactly. This place is perfect for cooling off in the summer.
But are we really alone to swim here?
Yes, I used to come here all the time as a kid.
Should we change into our swimmer now?
Yeah, let's do it. The weather is perfect.
Alright, let's create a change and jump in. Let's go, jump into the water.
Go!
Wait.
The water is so cool. Oh, the water is so cool. It's perfect for it hot water. This is so much fun. I feel so refreshed. We'll be swimming. For our shirt, we here back now.
Yeah, it's getting late.
Okay, let's go. Go. Let's go home.
Yeah, go.
Hey guys, this was really fun. So we do this again sometime.
Definitely. See you next time.
Bye bro. See you go.
Bye.